Last week, the US stock market managed to significantly extend gains. Traders were trying to predict the outcome of the presidential election in the United States. On Monday, they welcomed Joe Biden's victory. Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 7.21% at the end of the last week. This week, the index tried to update its high, breaking through to the level of 30,000. It advanced amid the news from Pfizer. The company said that its coronavirus vaccine was more than 90% effective. In the meantime, let's see why exactly the markets are so optimistic about Joe Biden's victory. During the election campaign, Biden did not specify his plan to spur the economy. However, U.S. stock indices posted the best week in months. The Nasdaq Composite added 8.11%. The S&P 500 index was up by 7.54%. Market participants are confident that Biden and his team will be able to expand financial bailouts and cope with the spread of COVID-19. Investors also believe that trade relations between Beijing and Washington will warm up and become more steady. This is why the market has turned euphoric amid such high expectations. Traders still remember Trump's confrontation with Chinese tech giant Huawei, however. Meanwhile, Qualcomm, a chip manufacturer and Huawei's main competitor, published its fourth quarter earnings report last week. The company's net profit was 73% more than in the same period of the last year. The calculation of revenue included payments from Huawei. Previously, Qualcomm received $1.81 billion after it settled a patent dispute with China's Huawei. In addition, the company is expecting a hike in revenue amid high interest in 5G smartphones. The value of the company's shares soared after the publication of the earnings report. At the end of the week, they rose by almost 16%. Investors also voiced concerns over another Chinese company. Alibaba Group Holding Limited, the US-traded shares, tumbled after Shanghai Stock Exchange officials had suspended Ant Group's IPO, the biggest on record. Ant Group is China's largest financial tech company. It also owns the popular payment service Alipay. So, Jack Ma lost $2.6 billion in a day. Jeff Bezos, the founder and CEO of Amazon, became a $14 billion reacher, topping the Forbes list of the world's wealthiest people. Shares of the largest online retailer have spiked by 8.2% over the past week. Tech companies are sure to multiply their capitals if Democrats gain control of Congress. Democrats are likely to ease regulatory oversight. Let's get back to Pfizer's statement about the possible appearance of a vaccine with a high level of effectiveness. At the end of the last trading week, Biogen's shares skyrocketed by almost 31% amid the information that the Food and Drug Administration approved the effectiveness of experimental therapy for Alzheimer's disease. However, on Monday, the stock price plummeted after an agency advisory committee rejected the drug. Maybe the same fate awaits Pfizer. You've watched Weekly Financial Review on InstaTV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to always keep track of all the latest financial events. See you back soon.